importante a vitória, porque quando eu cheguei aqui no PSM, falaram para mim que ia ter jogo que só a qualidade não bastava. Teríamos que lutar, teríamos que se entregar e não desistir até o final. E foi isso que aconteceu hoje. E continuamos dessa forma, só temos a ganhar e vem o próximo jogo.
Definitely, Indonesia League is not easy. I would say it's a very competitive league. Considering also numbers of the foreigners in the teams, considering the budget of the teams and the training conditions and the stadiums, so it's a very difficult league. I believe to the hard work. I believe to give everything to my players. I believe also when they give everything on the training, when they give everything on the games, when they try to improve. Not only when the coach say to improve, but when they really try to improve. And I found this team very disciplined, very hardworking. Every time we do extra training, or we do some heavy runs, or we do fitness, we do tactic, we do set pieces. They really follow, they really work, and they are awarded. So I am happy for them. I'm always telling them, without pain is no gain. If you don't work hard, you can't expect good results. So sometimes karma is working. As I said, it was not the best effort today, but the character and the hard work was there.